Yo, my boy. Yeah, get it. Don't go backwards. You went backwards. Yo! What? There was nobody online. Yo! Kenny, quick. This is ours, dude. There's nobody online. This is the day I ride a helicopter out of here. Why'd they ring the bell? Yo! It's snowing at Creek. This is the first real snow day. He's a pro list celebrity. This is the best day of my life. Don't fall. It's only us. Yeah. This is awesome. See, like that's the light. This guy's gonna die on a 360. Woo! And easy. The parts that have snow are so good. For real. Like this, smush. It's starting to be a lot of it. Go ahead. Let's get this. Whoa! Yo! I'm alive! This game is fun. You gonna hit the rail, Kenny? We'll go ahead and hit it first. I'll go behind you. Yee-hoo, my boy. Yes, yes, yes. Good stuff, Kenny. Where did that come from, bro? I was so close to you, bro. Kenny hit the board slide on that rail. And the board went like, cool. And I was like, he's done. And you just went back up and then rode across. And I was like, that was insane. Get the board slide at the end. Don't go backwards. You went backwards. Only on Tony Hawk. Hit it, Kenny. Yeah, get it. Yeah. That was crazy, bro. This party. The best day of my life. I've never been better than this.
You want a picture of all three, you guys?
Please, could you? That's just recording already. It's a video anyway, so.
All right, so just point it at you for a minute. Got you. Hey. You got YouTube or something?
Yeah, man.
What's your channel?
It's Chicken TV.
Chicken TV?
So type in Chicken TV snowboarding and you'll see it.
Am I gonna be in the video?
Yeah, if you want, yeah.
Oh shit. Hell yeah. Well, enjoy.
Alright, bro. That picture's gonna be all wet and blurry. Watch this pet the dog technique. Bump it, Kenny. Bump it, Kenny. No speed. We'll let Kenny hit this, then we'll hit the jump. And no speed. The booty bump.
That's exactly what I did before.
That's fucking crazy. Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Just planted his on that.
I don't know how I pulled it out.
Just going a little right. Yeah, that was sick. Woo! I took a picture. Yo! I knew that would happen once I pulled the camera out.
Yeah, me too.
I want to do it again. That wasn't good enough. Can I do it again? Anyone want to do it again? No? Yeah?
That's you.
Well, I do want to do it.
Well, I do want to do it. Look at my beard, yo. This shit fucking spiced up.
Frosted Flakes.
Yeah.
It sucks that it's over now. What the fuck? He's still going.
He's still going.
Look at him! Are we sure this? Hold on.
Oh yeah, this is
Wait for me. Wait for me. This is such a bad idea. Is this a good or a bad idea? Okay, we're on the way back and I can't see the road, so you know what that means. This is so stupid. Hey, at least the sides have snow. I don't have my gloves on. Oh, this is awesome. Yo! Yo, this is what dreams are made of! Yo! Tell me to shut up. You better not be telling me to shut up, bitch. I'm gonna have fun. He says, yeah, dude. Don't have fun. Don't have fun. Oh my god. Yo, this is catchy. That is so scary. It looks like we're not moving, but I'm still moving.
That juice. Oh, that was so awesome.
That was crazy. Kenny told me to stop having fun. What do you mean stop screaming?
We're supposed to be there and you're just screaming.
And we're on the escape, bro. What the Streets don't work like that, kid. You need water. Unless you have power. Honestly, falling on concrete hurts less than on ice. Like, that's not even fair. Oh my god, I feel terrible.